become a supermodel someday and believes in the saying that time is gold.
Life is a wheel. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Magandang tanghali, Dabber Cards. Ang nag-iisang Mr. Land Yusef ng Davao City at nag-iwan ng isang katagang. Di bali lang gumising na mabaong hininga kaysa di na magising at wala nang hininga. Thank you.
Francisco, a freelance dancer who loves to bake. She firmly believes that you should give your best in everything you do.
Through experience, we learn to grow. And by growing, we learn to give. And by giving, we learn others' experiences in life. Hello, Dabber Cats! Ako po ang babaeng nagpaibig sa puso ni Pilyang husband. My name is Angel Oxin at nagmula po ako sa Nasug, Batangas. At nag-iiwan ng katagang mahirap umasa, lalo na pag nakabihis ka na at hindi ka naman kasama. Maraming salamat po.
From San Fernando, Pampanga, who loves to read books and wants to become the ambassadress of the Philippines. Just like Spider-Man, she believes that with great power comes great responsibility.
The world's greatest feats achieved by the person who believes it is impossible. Maya Padros Bengi po kaya ko nga Dabber Cats. This is Baxi in real life. And for today, I'm standing by the name of the Starstruck Avenger, Miss Nadine Samonte na nag-iiwan sa kasabihan. Bawal matulog kung ikaw ay gising, dakal pong salamat.
Dahil exceptional talent at talino naman ang mapapanood natin from our Super Serenas.
Dito lang po yan sa